Hey, what's up everybody? Back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this easy tater tot chili casserole. So y'all, let's go. Alright, so first we are going to start off on making our chili. So I decided to make a turkey chili, and you can actually watch this video on my channel. It's up now, and I'll go into way more detail. But the simplified version is I'm just going in with some turkey, some ground turkey that I picked up, and then you want to just go in with a little bit of neutral cooking oil and then put that turkey chili in and then cook it all for about 10 to 15 minutes, and just, you don't have to drain any of the juices out, just leave the juices all in. Then go in with some diced up green peppers and then some diced up white onions as well. Then I go in with some fresh minced up garlic. I'm going in with some finely diced jalapeno peppers because I wanted this very spicy. And then I'm going in with a couple tablespoons of tomato paste to really start that tomatoey base to this chili. And then after that, you want to just mix everything all up together, kind of chop up that ground turkey a little bit more. So now we have the veggies in, it's time to start flavoring it up. So I'm going to start off with a little bit of salt, and then I'm going to go in with some chili powder. I also off camera put in some ground cumin, about a teaspoon of that. And then I'm going to go in with some smoked paprika, and then I'm going to go in with a little bit of barbecue sauce. This part is optional, but I really wanted that kind of sweetness in there just to kind of offset the cumin and the chili powder and all of that. Then I'm going to go in with some fire roasted diced tomatoes. I love that in this dish because the fire roasted aspect of the tomatoes really just kind of amps it up a little bit more, in my opinion, and really kind of like plays off of the chili powder and the cumin and all of that. Then I also went in with a little bit of tomato sauce as well. Not too much, because the ground turkey and the veggies will definitely give off a lot of liquid, and we're also going to be adding in some stock as well. So now for the beans, I'm going to go in with some dark red kidney beans as well as some black beans. I love to combine my beans up and use different types of beans and chilies. And so yeah, if you want to put corn in there, you can definitely do that, but I am just not a fan of corn and chili. I do not know why. I'm not. And then y'all, I'm just going to go in with about a cup of veggie stock, and then I'm going to go in with a few dashes of Worcestershire sauce. And then you want to just bring this to a boil, a gentle boil or simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. And yeah, now it's time to start on the actual casserole part. So I picked up just some plain old regular or Ida tater tots, frozen of course, and I'm just putting them on an even layer in my casserole dish. Make sure that it's nice and even layer, and then I place them in the oven on about 425 for about 20 minutes. And then y'all, I'm just gonna shred up my block of cheese. That's about 3/4 of a pound of Colby Jack and Monterey cheese. And then I'm just smashing up those tater tots a little bit to give them more surface area so the chili can really soak in when it's going in the oven. And now y'all, look at this chili. I actually really cooked it for about 45 minutes. I know it said 30 minutes earlier, but definitely cook it for about 45 minutes or so that ground turkey can get nice and tender. Like I said earlier, definitely check that video out if you are interested in the full, complete recipe. So now, y'all, it is really going to be time to build up this casserole. And you really only got 2 ingredients. The tater tots, which are basically done, and then the turkey chili, which we just made up. So now we're just smoothing it all out, getting it ready for that cheese that we shredded up earlier. And yeah, just put the cheese on there as well, and a nice even layer. Don't go so crazy with it, but yeah, just, do whatever you want to do, y'all. And I really love this cheese part on here because it just gives you that extra cheese pull at the end. And cheese and chili, it's just, it goes perfect together, y'all. And then with the potatoes, it's a done deal. It's a wrap. This dish right here, it has all the components that you want in a nice hearty kind of casserole. So now, y'all, after placing it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes on about 400 degrees, this is what this tater tot chili casserole is looking like. So, boom, of course I gotta show you me taking it out of the casserole dish. And again, the cheese pull was not really what I wanted. I really wanted a nice cheese pull, but you get the idea. It's still nice and cheesy, so good. You see the tater tots are still there on the bottom, or you can see it a little bit better right here. Just the kind of like layers that we created. the 3 different layers we created with the tater tots and the chili and the cheesiness on the top. And yeah, y'all, this right here is the perfect recipe or perfect dish for when you want something real hearty. I know we're in the summertime, but it's all good. You can eat it whenever you want to. So y'all, that's all I have for y'all today. I hope you enjoy the video. Hope you enjoy the recipe. If you try it out, definitely let me know down below in those comments. And yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Later.